I've been here for a couple minutes and found some rebar and lots of fishing lures and some gnarly fishing hooks. I found something big down here and I gotta break out the grappling hook, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing out. The magnet just doesn't want to stick. Probably really old, whatever it is. So we're gonna give it a shot with the grappling hook magnet. Oh, I think I got it now. Oh my gosh. Yep, I got it now. Oh my goodness. It's another typewriter. Oh my gosh. This one's not quite as old as the last one. Oh my gosh, but it's just as heavy. Holy crap. Oh. 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 You honestly never know what you're gonna find. Typewriter. Oh. That was heavy. Full of rocks and mud. Holy cow. Now I want to give it a good toss. Side note, if you have one of these grappling hooks, don't set it on the ground. They're easy to step on. What do we have here? Looks like a plant for a boat and some electrical box. Huh. Wasn't the big thing I was expecting, but all right. Got a few more somethings. Some crusty bits. Oh, a little fishing bell. Ooh. Some steel for the bridge. Not a square nail. Cotter pin. Fishing weight. Some magnetic rocks. Somebody's strap for the truck. I did forget one thing though. The most important part. Magnets away. Looks like another one of those telephone boxes. From an old telephone. Or an old electrical box. I found a couple of these here before. It's not my first time at this bridge, but my mom lost her Apple Watch here, so I'm gonna look for it. Looks like a belt buckle. Big gnarly catfish hooks. And some wire. Too much fishing line hooked to it. Oh, still came up. Looks like another old phone. And it's hissing at me. Looks like an old phone. Happy hang up and talk to you. Big nail, fishing line. It's getting warm today. Stood something big up out there, but couldn't grab it. There's the other part of the phone. Huh. See if we can't get it. There's another one. Looks like somebody had some electrical to dump. I thought the river would be a good idea. Another one of these electric boxes. Got a bunch of copper wire in there. Another phone looking thing. Jeez. I wonder how much of these are down there. This one's in better condition. Yeah. Lots of fishing line attached to it. See if it came with. Oh, what is that? Oh, what the heck? I mean, it almost looks like a scope, but it's too solid, and I have no idea what, if you know what this is. Oh, and it's hissing at me. That is interesting. Huh. Some more fishing hooks. Some flat metal. Little nails. See what else is down there. Oh, I dropped right on something, huh? Alright. Oh, I think the hook got it this time. Oh my goodness. Another one? Are you kidding me? I found the typewriter graveyard. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Apparently I found a typewriter graveyard. Oh my gosh! That thing's heavy. Well, that's what that was. I wonder if there's another one. Oh, there's a mini lobster in there too. A crawdad. I better save him. I didn't even notice. I'm coming, little buddy. Woo! Oh, he does not like to be touched. Oh, he's jumping. He's a jumper. Try to be gentle, bud. Oh man, he is a jumper. He's feisty. Well, I got a little lobster. I'm gonna put him back in the water. There you go, little buddy. Seem to catch live animals here all the time.